This is a few knives we've accumulated lately. A bunch of parts knives. This year's got a handle missing, but something like that. But that's something we've got just come up with lately, and sort of give you a preview of what we've got. We're going to try to repair some of them, put handles on them, pins in some of them, back springs in some of them. See if we can take 2 or 3 and make one, and something like that. Just all kinds of knives in here. We got case, we got Bokers, Camless, German eye, King Cutters, Trade Waldens, Cattaraugus, just an assortment of knives and parts knives that we have in our collection. We've come up with a bunch of blades here accumulated. We got some low case knife, need a few blades put in them, pins. This is an old Scout knife, no cheap Ranger knife, another case knife with the emblem fell out. Here's a old timer, Trade Walden, Purina knife. There's part of a Bauer, good handle on it. Kiss and Crane, another case. USA Boker there, one like Grandpa used to carry. I remember that. Here's another case knife. Here's some good case black handles deal. Needs some blades in it. Got the back springs and all for it. Another Bauer knife. Titan Bulldog. Case Stag there, 3-bladed. USA Boker bone handle. Not sure what this knife is. Been around a while, looks like. There's a little case Whittler, Kiss and Crane, another little case knife there. Here's a money clip knife, and this assortment of stuff that we have. And we'd like for you to like and subscribe to our channel here. We're just trying to get started off, and we'd appreciate it. And we hope the good Lord will bless you in each and everything you do from day to day. And we tried to have a few things on our deal channel here, old knives, antiques, old cars. Tried to do a few cars, redo some of them, each and everything. But we know you'd be real pleased with what we come up with, something different than just a normal day's work. And thank you once again, and may the good Lord bless you.
What's the name of that channel, Larry?
And the name of the channel is Big Papa Customs. Big Papa Customs. So tune into that, and we sure would appreciate it. How'd that go? No Scout knife, these parts knife we have. The next one is parts of a German bull. Good set of handles on that knife. Need some blades though. This one here is no Remington Scout knife. Part deal. Got an old case here, 2-bladed case. One no Ranger knife. That's cheaper knife. Here's part of another case we got, and we got Kiss and Crane here. Good set of handles on it. Needs some blades in it. Got an old timer here, Trade Walden old timer, and another old case here. Needs a little work done on it, but it's got good back springs, good handles on it. We got a Queen here. It's just got one good handle, but it would make good parts knife. Person had one with a handle missing. We've got an old Klein electrician knife. Another 3-bladed case here, knife. We've got one here that's parts deal, but it looks like it had a wrench or pliers on one end of it. Deal. I'm not sure the brand on it right off. And right here we have a German eyed deal, need some pins in it. Don't need to make it pretty nice now, just put the pins in there and rat them down. And I guess that'll do it for today, so it's a Big Papa Customs. Anything you're looking for in the antique line, knives, cars, restoration, anything like that, we come up with it. Thanks for watching.